Okay, so I have filled gas, or rather lighter fluid, Zippo lighter fluid, into this one, and I put the insert back. I left it down a little bit like this on my brick, and now it's the first time I will try to lighten up this one, but I was told to let the flint go first backward a little bit, and then let's see if this Zippo will work. Wow, I'm using only one hand here. Let's see. I think it doesn't get the lighter fluid yet, so I will try to keep it upside down for a little bit. Okay. Oh, what is this? I'm very surprised and very disappointed with Zippo. This is a brand new lighter. I followed all the instructions. I have just filled fluid. I filled more fluid. I turn it upside down. I turn this flint wheel a little bit in the opposite direction first, as recommended. And then there is no spark, obviously. Let's see here. Now it's turning. And nothing. Nothing. Is this the famous Zippo? Do I have to return my first normal Zippo lighter back to Manila? Wow, this is very bad. Why do you make this fucking bullshit quality? It's better with the Chinese than the American? Please, Zippo, tell me. You can do better than this, huh? Look, there's nothing happening. No spark, nothing. The flint is there, everything is there, the wick is there, fluid inside. I don't know if I have to keep it like this for a long time upside down, but no spark, no flame, no nothing. Now maybe you think that I don't know how to handle a Zippo lighter. For the last 3 months I had a Chinese made Zippo lighter style. It looks exactly like the Zippo and it works exactly like the Zippo. And that Chinese lighter actually lighted up very easily, very quickly, while this Zippo is dead as a stone. So I wonder if the person who assembled this Zippo back in the USA was maybe it was very stoned, the person. I don't think they even put real flint in it because there is absolutely no spark. Okay, so I'm returning it to Manila. I have already made the process, and so I'm gonna go and send it back in a couple of days. I'm glad I have the return option, but I would rather be using my Zippo, not returning it and waiting again for a couple of weeks before I get another one. Thank you for watching.